Why is market volatility important for investment success? How can an investor use it to their advantage? And what common mistakes should they avoid when market fluctuates? Is market volatility a danger or a hidden opportunity? We have financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us. Satish Prabhu, over to you.
Why does a car need brakes? Now, two different ways of looking at the same situation: to drive the vehicle fast and for safety. Now, assume that your car doesn't have brakes and you sit in your car. How is it that you will drive your car? Okay, you have been told this car doesn't have brakes and you have to still drive the car. Now, you will actually drive the car like a scooter. You will open the door, put your leg outside and drive the car, so that if the car has to be stopped, you can put your leg out and stop the car like you stop your scooter. This is exactly how you'll drive the car. And you'll drive the car at not more than 5 kilometers an hour because you're worried that if I drive fast, I will not be able to brake the car or stop the car and I will meet with an accident. Reverse that situation. Now I tell you that I actually told you a lie that the car did not have brakes. The car has brakes. Don't worry. Drive as much as you want. You are overjoyed. You close the door, start the car, and you start accelerating. Now you are not worried that the car doesn't have brakes. I can drive at whatever speed I want because I know that if there is something that comes, there is a signal or there's another vehicle or there's somebody crossing the road, I can just put my foot on the brake and the car will stop. It gives you a lot of confidence when you drive the car. The reason why a car needs brake is exactly this, that you can drive at a faster speed. That's why, the cars with the best brakes are the ones that are used in Formula 1. The racing cars are the ones which have got the best brakes. And brakes are very, very important in life as well. So who are the brakes in our life? The brakes in our life are our parents, our teachers, who always may have scolded us, may have beaten us. We remember, some of us may have been beaten up by teachers for doing wrong things. But today, at that time, we were angry on those teachers. How can this teacher beat me? Or how can this teacher scold me? I did nothing wrong. But today, when you are successful in life and look back, you realize that it was those teachers who were the strictest, through whom you learned the most. And today you value those principles more. Even if it's your parents. Parents may have told you, come back early, don't go too late, don't do this, don't do that. At that point, you feel that, oh, why are my parents telling me that? But today, when you look back, we tell the same thing to our children as well. So breaks in life, very, very important. And, we say that it is the very presence of boundaries that creates new freedoms. So today we are successful largely because of the breaks that we had. And even if you look at the markets, the markets have breaks in terms of volatility. Today, the markets are applying those breaks. The market was going up at a very high speed and suddenly there's a speed breaker. You have applied the brakes. Now, are those brakes permanent? Are those brakes bad? No, they aren't. Those brakes are there so that the markets can go up faster. They are not there to create anything bad for the market or for the investors. They are there for the markets to grow up faster. And these are various brakes that the markets applied in the past. You have Asian financial crisis, you have Iraq war, you have global financial crisis. Every time the market has fallen. And all those numbers are most of those numbers are more than 12%. And look at how the markets went 1, 3, 5 years after that. Look at the speed at which the markets have grown. Just look at the speed. 1 year returns, after the market fell are, looking so good. So you can imagine that breaks actually do more good than they do harm. So it's only time will tell how today's correction of 12% is going to, what it is going to look like in the future. And I'm sure the numbers in the future are not going to be much different because there are so many examples of the market falling. And look at 1 3 5 years after the fall and how they have behaved. So while your advisor or asset plus is one of the breaks that you can look at, because they are the ones who will tell you that do not discontinue, please continue investing. Asset allocation also tells you that this is a break, and it allows you to move your car in a much smoother way, in a much faster way.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.